Hello and welcome to the unit use case diagram of the course Software Engineering Essentials. My name is Jan, and in this unit we would like to focus on the UML use case diagram. This diagram helps you to transform a customer specification in the form of scenarios to a so-called use case. So what's the purpose of the use case diagram? Well, let's start with the definition what a use case is. A use case focuses on the behavior of the system. It does so by having an external view onto the system. This external view or component is called an actor, which typically initializes the use cases. An actor is an external entity which can be a user, another system, or even the system's physical environment. The so-called use case diagram combines multiple use cases, actors, and the associations in one single diagram. In this unit, we will focus on the graphical UML notation of use cases. However, there is also a textual representation of use cases. The textual representation consists of different elements similar to the graphical notations. We have the use case name, the actors of the system, entry conditions, the flow of events, as well as the exit conditions. Let's have a closer look at the graphical notation of the UML use case diagram. The use case diagram as a graphical notation is composed of the system and its system boundaries, use cases, which are the actual functions of the system, an actor, which models a type of role played by an external entity or even another system that interacts with the system. There are also different types of relationships. Associations, which are a relationship between an actor and a use case. That means the actor uses this functionality of the system. And then we have two modifiers on relationships. First, we have extends, which basically says that the behavior of the use case may be extended by the behavior of another use case. For example, exception handling. And then we have the includes relation, which implies that the behavior of the included use case is inserted into the behavior of another including use cases. This means that use case 2 in this example has to be used by use case 1. Let's have a look at a specific example. First, we have our system boundary, which is the university app. Then we're going to introduce actors, for example the lecturer and the student, which are going to use our system. Afterwards, we add the different use cases, so the functionality of the system, which could be join course, manage courses, start a discussion, or even seeing the course list. Now we need to add the associations, which describe which of these use cases can be used by which actor. Finally, we add the extensions we mentioned before. There is extends, for example, for join course, manage course, and start discussion, which depicts that you have to authenticate first before joining a course, manage your courses, or start a discussion. But there also is an inclusion extension, which is an optional additional use case. So when you start a discussion, you are able to post a message. So in this unit, we covered the use case diagram. Thanks for watching and see you in the next unit.